Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 11T, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you will want to open up content there you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this. So let me just quickly open it up. So once you have your content open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll feel a vibration and then have a sound along with this image right here. Now when you're capturing this for the first time, you also have this arrow showing you basically what you can do. So you can tap to make a scrollable one or also share it. And the reason why I opened up settings is because I can actually scroll up and down in it, so I can utilize scroll feature. As you can see, it starts scrolling. You can tap on the screen to stop it from scrolling and do it yourself. And from there, all you need to do is press done, and this will now override, I believe it overrides the original photo with a longer version of it. So click on save, and there you go. Now additionally, there is also a shortcut for screenshots, so instead of pressing those two keys, you can use 3 fingers and swipe down. As you've seen, same effect. Now anyway, those screenshots that I have captured can all be found in our photo gallery. Let's go to albums, and you have screenshots, and there we go, there's the 3 different ones. So these are the 2 that I captured with a 3-finger swipe, and then there's the long one, as you can see. And that is how you capture a screenshot on this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.